A very good morning to all my dear children. This is your English teacher welcomes you all again in the online teaching classes for the session 2020-21. My dear children, today I am going to start the class with the alphabets from the grammar section. But before starting the class, let us know first what are the alphabets. Children, alphabets are the set of symbols which are called letters, like letter A, letter B, letter C. All these are set of symbols which are arranged in order and are used for reading and writing languages. Children, you can see in the picture the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There are total 26 letters in the English alphabet, which ranges from A to Z. You can see this picture. This is the capital letter alphabet and this is the small letters. Children, in today's class, we will see and learn the different words which are made from these 26 letters one by one. So let's start with the very first letter, that is A. Children, we can make many new words, many more words from these English alphabets, from these 26 letters. First word is arrow, from the letter A. A for arrow. A for apple. A for astronaut. A for anchor. A for alligator and A for ant. See, we can make many new words from this letter A. Next letter is B. From B, again we can make many new words. B for ball, B for boy, B for balloon, B for butterfly, B for bell, B for banana and B for bus. After B comes the letter C. C for cat, C for car, C for carrot, C for cow, C for cake and C for camel. Next letter is D. D for dog, D for dolphin, D for donkey, D for dress, D for duck and D for door. Next is E. E for empty, E for envelope, E for elephant, E for egg, E for eggplant, E for elk. After E comes the letter F. F for frog, F for fish, F for fire, F for fan, F for flower and F for flag. Next letter is G. G for girl, G for gift, G for goat and G for grapes. Next letter is H. H for house, H for hat, H for heart, H for hippo, H for hammer and H for horse. Next is I. I for ice, I for island, I for igloo and I for ice cream. You all love to eat ice cream, isn't it? And the word ice cream starts with the letter I. Next word is J. J for jug, J for jelly beans, J for jelly and J for jellyfish. Next letter is K. K for kite, K for kettle, K for knife and K for keyboard. Next is L. L for leaf, L for lion, L for ladybug, and L for lamp. After L comes the letter M. M for map, M for moon, M for mouse, M for mountain, M for milk, and M for monkey. Next letter is N. N for nose, N for nail, N for nap, N for nest, N for ninja, and N for nuts. Next letter is O. O for octopus, O for olive, O for otter, O for on, O for ostrich, and O for ox. After O comes the letter P. P for pineapple, P for pig, pig for panda, P for parrot, P for penguin, and P for pencil. You do your work with your pencil. So the word pencil starts with the letter P. After P comes the letter Q. Q for quarter, Q for quilt, Q for queen, Q for quill, Q for quite, and Q for question. You write the answers of the question. Question comes in your exam, isn't it? So the word question starts with the letter Q. After Q comes the letter R. R for rat, R for rhino, R for robot, R for rain, R for rabbit, and R for rock. Next letter is S. S for sub, S for snail, S for sun, S for spider, S for star, and S for snake. Next letter after S is T. T for truck, T for turtle, T for tiger, T for tree, T for turkey, and T for table. Then comes the letter U. U for under, U for uphill, U for umbrella, U for underwear, U for upstairs, U for underground. After U comes the letter V. V for volcano, V for van, V for vacuum, V for violin, V for vulture, and V for vest. Next letter is W. W for watermelon, W for wand, W for window, and W for whale. After W comes the letter X. X for xylophone, X for Xmas tree, and X for X-ray. Then comes the letter Y. Y for yak, Y for yasht, Y for yum, Y for yarn, Y for yogurt, and Y for yoga. Then the last 26th letter is Z. From Z also we can make many words. Z for zigzag, Z for zorilla, Z for zebra, Z for zip. So dear children, today we learned the 26 letters of the alphabets. Through these letters we learned many new words also. So at home try to make some more new words from all these 26 letters, and in the next class we will start the very first chapter of our grammar section, that is the alphabets. So your homework is you have to make two new words from the each letter of this 26 letters of the alphabets, and you have to learn and write the small letter and the capital letter of the alphabets. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.